SCON Design India Private Ltd is renowned for providing the best 3D scanning services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their expertise in the field of 3D scanning, they have gained a reputation for delivering high-quality and accurate scans. Their team of professionals is skilled in using advanced scanning technology, ensuring that their clients receive the best results possible. When it comes to 3D scanning services, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out from the competition. They offer a wide range of scanning solutions to meet the diverse needs of their clients. Whether it is for architectural purposes, product design, or reverse engineering, SCON Design has the expertise and tools to handle any project. One of the reasons why SCON Design India Private Ltd is considered the best in the industry is their commitment to quality. They understand the importance of precision and accuracy in 3D scanning, and they strive to deliver flawless results to their clients. Their team pays attention to every detail, ensuring that the scanned models are true representations of the original object. Another factor that sets SCON Design apart from other 3D scanning service providers is their state-of-the-art equipment. They use the latest scanning technology, which allows them to capture detailed and high-resolution scans. In conclusion, SCON Design India Private Ltd is undoubtedly the best choice for 3D scanning services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their expertise, advanced technology, commitment to quality, and excellent customer service, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. Whether it is for architectural purposes, product design, or reverse engineering, SCON Design has the knowledge and skills to deliver exceptional results. So, if you are looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Marathahalli, Bangalore, look no further than SCON Design India Private Limited. SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their state-of-the-art technology and experienced team, they offer the best 3D scanning solutions for a wide range of industries. Whether you need 3D scanning for reverse engineering, quality inspection, or product development, SCON Design has the expertise to meet your needs. When it comes to 3D scanning services, SCON Design stands out from the competition. They are committed to delivering high-quality results and exceeding customer expectations. Their team of skilled professionals uses advanced scanners and software to capture accurate and detailed 3D models of objects and surfaces. With their expertise in scanning complex geometries and intricate details, SCON Design ensures that you get the most precise and reliable data for your projects. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design for your 3D scanning needs is their